what we learned last time in GK. We had learned days of the week. What had we learned? Days of the week. Okay. LKG students, please do not write this. UKG students, open your English notebook. In the middle of the page, write GK and the topic as days of the week. And in the left hand corner, write the date, today's date, 23/11/2020. UKG children, you have to write along with me. LKG, please do read out only. Okay. So what is our topic? Days of the week. How many days are there in the week? I told you there are 7 days in a week. Spell with me, UKG children, and write THERE. There. ARER 7, DAYS days, in a WEEK week. Okay, we'll see out which are the 7 days. Our first day is SUNDAY, Sunday. Next is MONDAY, Monday. Please do write in cursive, UKG. TUESDAY, Tuesday. WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. THURSDAY, Thursday. FRIDAY, Friday. And the last is SATURDAY, Saturday. LKG students, repeat after me. There are 7 days in a week. They are, in the front you have to write, they are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. UKG students, repeat the spellings after me. SUNDAY, Sunday. MONDAY, Monday. TUESDAY, Tuesday. WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. THURSDAY, Thursday. FRIDAY, Friday. SATURDAY, Saturday. Okay, so these are the 7 days of a week. After writing this, turn your page of your English notebook. We will write months of the year. You all had learned days of the week. Today our new topic to be learned is months of the year. LKG students, again I will tell you just have to know the months of the year. You need not know the spellings. But UKG students, the days of the week and the months of the year along with the spellings has to be known by you. So UKG students, after writing the days of the week, turn the page, write the topic months of the year and start along with me writing. First we will write and then we will read it out. How many months in a year are there? There are 12 months. To begin a new year, we have to complete the 12 months in a year. 12 महीने होते एक साल कंप्लीट होने के लिए 12 महीने होते हैं. We will see which are they. There are 12 months in a year. They are, the first one is January, JANUARY, January. The second one is FEBRUARY, February. The third one is MARCH, March. Fourth one is APRIL, April. MAY, May. JUNE, June. After June comes JULY, July. After July you have AUGUST, August. Then you have SEPTEMBER, September, September. October, October. November, November. And the last, that is the 12th one, is the month of the year is December. So these are the 12 months in a year. We will read them out. There are 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. UKG children, repeat the spellings after me. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, May. June, June. July. August, August. September, September. October, November. And the last one is December. After writing this in your English notebook, UKG children, open your GK book to page number 84. There is a small activity on days of the week and months of the year. Before doing that activity, please read out the spellings. Page number 84, UKG children GK book. Page 84 is your homework. Your HW part is homework. There is an activity downstairs. On which days do you go to school? Color the clouds. They have given the days of the week in the clouds. You have to color the clouds on which day you go to school. Okay. Then on page number 85 you have the months of the year spellings. Please do read them before doing the activity. And page number 86 is again your fun with color activity for the months of the year. You have to color the days of the year as yellow and the months of the year as green. Okay. So page number 84 and 86 is your homework. Now LKG children, from your GK textbook, open to page number 6060. Our new topic for today is transport. And UKG children, open to page number 7474. Okay. When I tell you that the name of the topic is transport, what comes in your mind? Transport means from one place to another, which by what means do we travel? That is called transport. आप कभी चल के जाते हो, थोड़ा पास में कुछ शॉप है, नहीं तो मम्मा के साथ गाड़ी में जाते हो, पापा के साथ कार में जाते हो, या कहीं बाहर जाते हो तो एरोप्लेन में जाते हो या बोट में जाते हो. These are all means of the transport. Transport means which helps you outreach from one place to the other. Okay. So there are basically three types of transport. One is land transport. Land transport means the transport means of transport which help you travel on land. जो रोड पे चलते हैं उनको बोलते हैं land transport. Then you have air transport. जो हवा में उड़ने वाले ट्रांसपोर्ट है उनको बोलते हैं air transport. And the third one is water transport. जो पानी के भरोसे चलते हैं उनको बोलते हैं water transport. Okay. So there are three kinds of transports. In land transport, what are the transport which travel on road? It is car. You have rickshaw. Then you have your own bicycle. साइकिल चलाते हो ना रोड पे. Then पापा क्या करते हैं? बाइक राइड करते, गाड़ी. Okay. These are kinds of transport systems which run on road. जो हमारे जैसे रास्ते पे चलते हैं. Then you have साइकिल रिक्शा, यू मस्ट हैव सीन, जहाँ आगे अंकल साइकिल चलाते हैं और पीछे आपको रिक्शा के जैसे बैठने को मिलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड साइकिल रिक्शा. ओके, these are some of the transports which run on land. Next you have air transport. Air transport मतलब जो हवा में या क्लाउड्स में उड़ते हैं, वो दे आर एरोप्लेन. जो हवा में उड़ते हैं, आप ऊपर से देखते हो ना, एरोप्लेन आया, then you have helicopter, then you have jet planes, you have rocket. These are kinds of transport which run in air. And the third kind is water transport. Water transport जहाँ पानी के ऊपर चलने वाले बोट, yacht रहता है, Y for yacht. Then you have houseboat. Do you know what is a houseboat? Houseboat is जैसे आपका एक छोटा सा घर है ना, वैसे बोट में एक छोटा सा घर होता है, आप जितने दिन चाहो उसमें रह सकते हो. Then you have cruise. Cruise is kind of a luxury house, जहाँ पे आपको स्विमिंग पूल मिलता है, उस बोट में बड़ा सा बोट होता है. अगर आप गोवा गए रहेंगे तो आपने देखा होगा, या कहीं बाहर गए रहेंगे तो आपने देखा होगा, बहुत बड़ा बोट होता है, बहुत सारे रूम्स होते हैं, वहाँ पे फुटबॉल ग्राउंड होता है, क्रिकेट खेल सकते हो, स्विमिंग कर सकते हो, वैसे. ओके, सो आई शो यू सम काइंड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हिच आई हैव विद मी. यू हैव टू टेल मी हाउ डू दे रन एंड वेयर डू दे रन. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दिस? This is a car, C-A-R, car. What kind of transport it is? It is the land transport. रोड पे चलता है ना ये. Yes. यहाँ देखो, पापा की जैसी बाइक है, भैया की जैसी बाइक है. This is also a land transport. Bike runs on the road. Then the school bus in which you travel to school. This also runs on the road. And this is one more type of fancy car which runs on the road. Then you have, I have something with you. See here, military aeroplane. ये कैसे जाता है, कहाँ ये लैंड पे चलता है, वाटर पे या एयर पे? Yes, ये हवे में उड़ता है. Then this is H for helicopter. This also is a means of air transport, हवे में उड़ने वाला. And this is your favorite, all time favorite. सबका एरोप्लेन फेवरेट है ना, सबको बैठना है कि नहीं इसमें एक दिन? Yes, so this is air transport. Now I will show you some pictures of water transport. See here, this is a boat, B-O-A-T, boat. देखो ये पानी के ऊपर चल रहा है. This is a boat. Then I'll show you. I told you about a houseboat. See, यहाँ एक boat है और इसके अंदर एक छोटा सा घर है, जहाँ पे ये इंसान रह सकता है. Whenever he feels, he can sit on the boat. So these are kinds of air transport, water transport and land transport. So after this topic, your activity for LKG students is on page number 76. LKG students GK book, page number 76 is your HW. After learning the topic transport, page number 76 is your HW for LKG students. And UKG students, your page number activity on transport is, you have page number, sorry, UKG is page number 76. Sorry, UKG is page number 76 for your transport activity. And LKG is page number 65 of your GK book. Page number 65. Go through the topic what I have taught you. I have taught you means of transport. How do we travel? I have told you all kinds of transport. You just have to read the topic first and then LKG do this activity. Okay, this is your activity. And page number 66 also is your activity. What do you see during day and night? Up in the sky during the day, what you see? And at night, what you see? In the daytime, you can see aeroplane, you see clouds, you see the birds, you can fly kites. These are the times which these are the items which you see in the day. And at night also you see clouds, but instead of sun what do you see? Moon and star. ये दोनों day में दिखते नहीं है. Then you see aeroplane दिखता है. At the day you can recognize the aeroplane, but in the night only because of its light you can come to know that the aeroplane is flying. Then as usual you can see the road, mountains, everything. So please do color the pictures if anything is to be colored on page number 66. Okay. After learning the transport topic, we have page number 68 as CW for LKG. Turn to page number 68. Okay. Page number 68. What it is given is write D for day and N for night. There are some pictures given to you on the page number 68. Looking at the picture, you have to tell me what pictures do you see in the day time and what pictures do you see in the night time. LKG students, okay. Sun, where do you see? Sun you see at the daytime in the circle, right? D for day. Moon, where do you see? रात को दिखता है कि सुबह दिखता है? सुबह दिखता है, so N. And stars, when do you see? Night, so N for night. Then rainbow कब दिखता है? जब बारिश होती है तो सुबह दिखता है हमें, तो day. Birds, when do you see? You see them at the daytime. And kite also you see them at the daytime. Okay. So this is your CW part, right? D for day and N for night. After that we will move on to topic weather. Weather means what? Thandi, garmi, barish, autumn season. So how many weathers? You usually know only 3 weathers. That is the hot. It is called as a summer. Then you have the rainy season. You call it as rainy day. That is your rainy season. Okay. The third one is winter, cold. That is your winter season. There is one more season, that is called autumn, where you see fresh leaves and flowers blooming around or everywhere. That is your autumn season. That is called windy. जहाँ पे सिर्फ ठंडी ठंडी हवा रहती है. That is called windy day. Okay. Cold day is called your winter season. So weather means seasons. How many seasons do you know? There are 4. One is the summer season, गर्मी का मौसम. Rainy season, बारिश. Winter season, ठंडी. और ये autumn season. Autumn season is a very beautiful season where you find all kinds of leaves growing in and blooming out everywhere. Okay. So now I'll show you something. You just have to tell me. You just have to read along with me. On a hot day, that means in summer season, what do you do? What all do you do? Summer season you wear cotton clothes like sleeveless frocks. Boys wear sleeveless t-shirts. Then you have shorts. And then while going out you wear a goggle. You wear a cap to avoid sun to hit your head. Then mamas carry umbrella so that धूप ना लगे. Correct? So that is what you do in summer season. Okay. Then you eat ice cream. You drink cold drinks. सब ठंडी ठंडी चीजें मम्मा आइसक्रीम बनाती है या खिलाती है. नहीं तो आइस लेके आप पानी में डाल के पीते हो. फ्रिज में का मटके का पानी पीते हो. करेक्ट. And usually in summer season you stay at home the whole day because it is very hot. Correct or no? Yes, it is very hot. Then comes the rainy season. What do you do in rainy season? आपको समर में छुट्टियां रहती है स्कूल से तो आप मजे करते. कोई अपने गांव जाता है, नाना के घर, दादी के घर. बट आप लोग ये सारी चीजें एंजॉय करते हैं. Even in summer you drink lots of coconut water so that it keeps you fresh. And you have to always drink lots of water in summer season so that you do not get tired very early. Drinking lots of water and fresh juices. You can also eat you can also eat fruits a lot in the summer season. You always get mango in the month of March, April, May when you have summer season. So you like to eat fresh fruits, that keeps you healthy in summer season. Okay. Then comes the rainy season. When it is completely raining, what do? When you go out, you wear a raincoat, you wear your gum boots, or else you take an umbrella. And जहाँ पे पानी जमा रहता है वहाँ आप लोग पेपर बोट्स बना के खेलते हो कि नहीं? फिर अगर गलती से सन आया रेनी के टाइम पे, बारिश होने के टाइम पे, then you see a beautiful rainbow also. So this all happens in the season called as rainy season. Then in the winter season, what is going on is the winter season. What items or what things do you have to carry or need to be safe during the winter season? You have to wear cap, you have to wear sweater, you have to cover your ears with a ear muff or a cap. Then you have to wear muffler to keep your body. पापा वगैरह मफलर बांधते हैं कान को, आपको मम्मियाँ स्वेटशर्ट पहनाती है, फुल पैंट्स यू वेयर. लाइक समर you do not have to wear sleeveless t-shirts and short pants. You have to always wear full pants, full t-shirts, jackets. Then you wear caps, you use muffler, you wear gum boots also, and you always drink hot items and you always eat hot food. मम्मा गरम खाना बना के देती है आपको एंड गरम पानी पीने देती है, गरम दूध, गरम चाय गरम पीते हैं पापा मम्मा, फिर कॉफी भी गरम पीते हैं, खाना भी आपको गरम परोसती है. Is that yes or no? Yes. So these are the things what you do in the given seasons. Now LKG, turn to page number 72. LKG children, turn to page number 72. Write CW in the middle of the page. And what is the question? What do we wear, use, eat or drink on a hot, rainy and cold day? Draw lines to match. Here they have given some items and here they have given you seasons. So soup, when do you drink? Do you drink in the winter season or summer season or rainy season? Soup is a hot item. जब ठंडी रहती है तब हम पीते हैं. So you drink. It can be also drunk in rainy season because rainy season में भी थोड़ा सा ठंडी रहता है. But usually soup ठंडी के मौसम में ज़्यादा पीते हैं because वो गर्म चीज़ है. और gloves कब पहनते हैं हम? When it is winter season. And coconut water या normal water ज़्यादा कब पीते हैं हम? At the summer season. नीचे दिया है raincoat. When do you use? Raincoat you use in the rainy season. And cooler, AC या कूलर कब लगाते हो? जब गर्मी का मौसम होता है. That is how you use them. Turn the page to page number 73. LKG student. Page number 73. Write HOT hot, COLD cold, RAINY rainy to the given season. Okay. So there are some pictures of the seasons. Look at the picture and write the proper word. Page number 73. LKG students, write CW and the date. Which is the first season? What is the boy doing? He is drinking hot milk. He is worn cap. He is worn sweater, and outside is snowing. So what it is? It is cold season. So in the box write COLD, cold. Next one. What is the girl doing? The girl is holding an umbrella. Water is pouring and there are water down also. Water drops are pouring. So it is what season? Rainy. So write RAINY, rainy. And the last season, you can see the boy and the girl is enjoying at the beach. They are playing with the mud. He is drinking coconut water. They have kept fresh fruit and sun is out. So what it is? It is a hot season. HOT, hot. Okay. So So LKG students, please go through the topic transport and weather, and UKG students, your activity is match the pictures to the given days. UKG students, your HW part is page number 78 of GK book. HW, you have to look at the pictures and they have given you seasons out here. You have to match the seasons according to the pictures, okay? Page number 78 is your homework, UKG children, and page number 81 of your GK book is also your homework, okay? In the next session we will see the next topic. Till then, thank you.